Time for me to put on my conspiracy hat. The reason there isn't a cure for cancer yet is because big pharma companies make too much money treating cancer patients. That's just the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Did you know treating a cancer patient is by far the most profitable thing in medicine, with each patient needing an average of over $100,000 in treatments, which makes revenue from oncology being over $200 billion a year, where the next most profitable thing, autoimmune diseases, is at about $65 billion a year. So your grand conspiracy is because pharma companies make so much money on cancer treatments, they purposely make sure no cancer cure is ever found? Pretty much, yeah. One issue with that is that research is more decentralized than ever before. It's not just those big pharma companies conducting research. There's thousands of independent academic institutions, startups, and nonprofits from all over the world trying to crack the code. You think they're all colluding to block a cure? Those big pharma companies have a lot of power. They spend more on lobbying our politicians and on television ads than any other industry, so they buy off our politicians and journalists so that they can keep conditions favorable for profit. Bro, even so, the incentive still exists for a cancer cure to be found. Whichever company or person found it would instantly become the most famous person ever and become a trillionaire. Then why hasn't anyone done it? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but to name a few, cancer isn't just one disease. It's over 200 distinct diseases, each driven by unique and constantly evolving mutations. Even with a single tumor, cells can behave differently, making it nearly impossible to treat all of them the same way. That's why a one-size-fits-all cure hasn't been found, because you're not fighting one enemy, you're fighting hundreds, thousands, and each one keeps changing. Well, you can at least agree that the amount of money big pharma is making off the treatments doesn't put them exactly in a rush to find a cure. But there's not one pharma company, there's hundreds from all around the world, all competing for market share, and if one found a cure for cancer, they'd instantly become the behemoth of the space. That's why the behemoths of the space today protect their status. The world isn't as dark and secretive as you think, bub.